Historically, Makino's always been recognised as a solid brand, Japanese built. We've carried the quality of Makino through and the production of EDM machine tools with Makino, supported by NCMT. We're starting to gather a bit of pace now in the UK. People recognise the quality, recognise what's achievable with EDM. With the support of NCMT as well, we're making people understand a little bit more. 2.2, 0.25 people use commonly in the EDM world. The difference with Makino is we can actually offer a 0.4 solution. So thicker wire, goes faster, but the machine itself can actually also do right the way down to 0.1 wire. So you're not limited. We have a power booster on the machine, and with the flushing pumps that we offer on the Makino, it can cool the wire, so it enables us to get 2 to 3 times faster cutting speeds than ordinary standard wire. Typically the machine that's behind me here is the 0.4 U6 H.E.A.T Extreme. That's going into a lot of oil and gas companies because they can sacrifice a little bit of accuracy, a little bit of surface finish for using the 0.4 wire, but they can gain 2 to 3 times faster cutting speeds. From our side of things, obviously it started out probably in the UK about 8 years ago. We're building a very large team now and a very strong team behind the EDM products that we have at NCMT. Service support that we offer is second to none. We pride ourselves on that fact. Typically engineers out in 24 hours, so people are looking at the Makino now as a realistic fit for their business. There's a lot of traction, there's existing customers coming over, obviously sharing with the new advances of what we've made, but also people that don't know a lot about the Makino and also EDM in general are asking us questions. They're pulling on the resources of our team here, and yeah, I think it's been well received.